Myntri ketenat kekot kekia uba wailat miki Syllad ha ke arpusau terik rempang, ulapan pau ya ke jingsyam jong ke jingtohkit halor ke jingkhlad UMP ke Shillong Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon, da ke baong baki nongtrei ke Mawiong CHC, kila syim kia mardor ban ajing sumar kat kum ke bor jinglak jongki. Uba wailat ulaong ba ke jingtohkit balapan long dau District Medical and Health Officer East Khasi Hills ka penti kena ba ke jing jing sumar ba kerki da ki nongtrei ka CHC ka dei ke balashim mardor Maria poi Dr. Ricky hapo CHC hakakat kendai terik rempang arhajar arpunriu kata hadian ba ula kelon kat ba udang yelek kai football. Ki nongtrei ki bedan ha ketai ke jaka sumar kila le ialah ke benta hapo uput bat ke jingla jongki Community Health Center ka bakentup ia ke jingle examen bamardor ka jing ai oksigen ka jingle ia ke CPR bat ke jingpen kenria biang por syaki jaka sumar bakhamhe ong uba wailat haba benrap ba kamsyam ladan kenu ke jing kentai ni ke jingpen slam ban pha pen kenria syaki weipat ki hospital. Ya Dr. Ricky lapha penkendria Syah Dr. H. Gordon Robert Hospital ha kebala penbena ba ula khlad hadian kato kat Nepor. Ka tenat ka kot ka khia ka penpau ke jing sulem Syah ki bahaying hasiam jong Dr. Ricky. Myntri ula pensyairu halor ka jing keno bom dan Dr. hapo Mawiong CHC ha ka por bawan ra ya Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon ha ka tei ke jaka sumar da ka bakedo ya ke jing duna doktor ha ka jela. Ngidon ha pedeng ke jing kerdu doktor ka bakrau ha ke jela jongi ong uba wailan ha babatai bana pedeng ki sangut ki doktor balabu ha Mawiong CHC arngut ki syem syuti lej kule postgraduate bat uwe lapen kenria syakli riat CHC ha ke baladon satang uwe doktor badai kemi. Myntri ula ong ba une doktor ubadan marwe udai ubala ban yakran ling ba ka phone bat ban bata ya ki nurse kat ba ki dang ajing sumar ha emergency. Uladon ha ketai ke jaka baro shisngi kata nadu khendai beje men step hadu saw beje janmit ban khmi ya ki nongpang ha OPD ki nurse ki layakran ya doktor ling ba ka phone ban batai ha ka por ba ajing sumar ya Dr. Ricky ong uba wailan. Haba kubur halor ke jingja besngosi. Myntri ula ong baga sorkar kadang trei ban weng ya ke jing namar ke jing duna doktor ha ke balayo ya ke jing menjur ban thung shispa san pongut ki doktor da ka kontrak.
Regarding the sequence of event which happened at Mawiong CHC. So the Meghalaya the Health Department, Government of Meghalaya placed the following factual account on record regarding the medical attention provided to Honourable Member of Parliament Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon at Mawiong Community Health Center CHC on the evening of 19 February 2026 based on the inspection and inquiry conducted by the District Medical and Health Officer DMHO East Khasi Hills. So these are the sequence of event as mentioned below. So firstly, that on 6:53 p.m. 108 emergency call center received a call about the event and ambulance was dispatched immediately to Mawiong Rim playground from Laumali. At approximately 7:15 p.m. Honorable MP Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon was brought to the emergency room of Mawiong CHC by accompanying person following a reported collapse while playing football at a nearby ground. On arrival, the patient was unconscious and unresponsive. Initial assessment revealed blood pressure not recordable, pulse not palpable. The patient was immediately attended by the staff nurse on emergency duty and the medical officer on call was intimated. Oxygen support was initiated promptly. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, which is called CPR, was administered. Despite this resuscitation efforts, the patient did not respond. In view of the critical condition and non-response to initial resuscitation, the patient party was informed of the need for immediate referral to a higher facility. Referral and transport. At approximately 7:20 p.m., arrangements were made for transfer. The patient was shifted with oxygen support by the Mawiong CHC ambulance. The ambulance reached H. Robert Gordon Hospital at approximately 7:40 p.m., where the patient was handed over to the emergency team for further management. As per the medical report of Robert Hospital on arrival, the patient vitals were not recordable and pupils were also bilaterally fixed and dilated. So, out of this, the finding of the inquiry confirmed that emergency assessment and basic life support measures were initiated promptly upon the patient arrival at Mawiong CHC. The staff present acted within the scope and capacity of a community health center, including immediate examination, oxygen administration, initiation of CPR, and timely referral to a higher facility. There is no finding of refusal of care or delay in referral at Mawiong CHC. So, through this, the health department reiterates its deep condolence to the bereaved family and the people of Meghalaya. And also we realize that sudden medical emergencies such as sudden cardiac arrest are time critical event where outcomes depend on multiple factors including patient underlying condition and immediacy of advanced life-saving intervention. So this is the inquiry report which we have sent the DMHO of East Khasi Hills to find the sequence of event in CHC Mawiong. See, regarding the doctors, because right now in the, like already I mentioned in today's assembly question also in the house, that right now we are like in the tremendous shortage of doctors in our state. But nevertheless, there were actually 4 doctors posted at Mawiong CHC. Number 1 is Dr. Gromor Longdok. Number 2 is Dr. Amin Nongtrei. Third one is Dr. Rahul CH Marak, and the 4th is Dr. Wandai Jo Nongtrei. But out of these 4, 2 are under PG leave for higher studies, and Dr. Wandai Jo Nongtrei is transferred to Clariat CHC since May because of her medical condition. So as you understand that there is only 1 doctor there. And for him also we have sent through and find out through the inquiry that he was there the whole day from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. attending OPD cases, as he is the only medical officer in charge of the CHC. He was available on call, and I already mentioned in the sequence of things which happened, the nurse, whatever she was doing, she was on call with the doctor, under the doctor guidance only. So we do understand, no doubt it is very unfortunate that at that particular moment doctor was not there, but all the necessary procedures were followed as the medical emergencies. So I don't know about the other cases, but particularly for this case, I would like to also inform you that according to the record, because we send we inquire regarding that particular thing also, but according to the report which we are getting, that in a matter of 5 to 7 minutes, this 108 got a call, and then after a few minutes they were again got a call that no, we already taken the private car and shifting him. So you do realize that, because I think because of the emergency of the situation at that time, so it seemed they have not wait, because but that was I think only the duration between 5 to 7 minutes. Definitely, like I already mentioned, as you know, that CHC was supposed to be 24/7, doctors should be available, but due to the unavoidable circumstances, and then like I already mentioned, because we are in shortage of doctors.
And CHC Mawiong also, where actually, because it's closer to the city, in fact the footfall is very low. In fact IPD is almost like a 0 in many days actually. So that's where actually doctors, when we do the redeployment, in fact there was also a discussion that some part of the CHC can be used for the in fact addiction center, de-addiction center. In fact, a discussion is happening with the local.
In the past also, during our former health minister, she has already called a meeting on the 29th of May 2025, but like requesting the local Dorbar of that area that to allow that, because this CHC is underutilized. So that's why if they allowed to use it at the addiction center. So that was under discussion. It was under discussion.